Hello and welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we are going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy dish that is perfect for those who are looking for a plant-based meal option. We will be making veggie stir-fry, a colorful and nutrient-packed dish that is super easy to make. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For our veggie stir-fry, we will need 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, sliced, 2 medium-sized carrots, julienne, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced, 1 green bell pepper, sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup snow peas, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 cup water, 2 cups cooked brown rice. Start by preparing the vegetables. The first step is to prepare all the vegetables needed for the dish. This includes washing, slicing, and julienning the veggies. Heat the vegetable oil. Next, you need to heat up some vegetable oil in a wok or a large skillet. The heat should be on high to ensure that the vegetables cook quickly and retain their crunchiness. Add ginger and garlic. Once the oil is hot, add minced ginger and garlic to it. Sauté for a few seconds until fragrant. Ginger and garlic are used in many Asian dishes and add a lot of flavor to the dish. Add onions. Add sliced onions to the wok or skillet and stir-fry for a minute or so until they become translucent. This helps to create a flavor base for the dish. Add carrots. Next, add julienne carrots to the wok and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they become tender. This allows the carrots to cook slightly and retain their crunchiness. Add bell peppers. Once the carrots are cooked, add sliced bell peppers to the wok and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until they become slightly soft. Add broccoli and snow peas. Add broccoli florets and snow peas to the wok and stir-fry for a few more minutes until they become bright green and slightly tender. Add mushrooms. Finally, add sliced mushrooms to the wok and stir-fry for another minute. Mushrooms cook quickly, so they should be added towards the end. Season with salt and pepper. Once the vegetables are cooked, season the dish with salt and pepper according to your taste. Overall, the preparation steps involve cooking the vegetables in stages, starting with the ones that take the longest to cook and adding the ones that cook quickly towards the end. This helps to ensure that all the vegetables are cooked to the desired level of tenderness while retaining their crunchiness and color. Certainly, I can explain the sauce used in this veggie stir-fry recipe. The sauce for this dish is made by mixing together soy sauce, cornstarch, and water in a small bowl. Here's how you can make it. In a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of water until well combined. Soy sauce is a common ingredient in Asian cuisine and adds a salty and savory flavor to the dish. It is usually made from fermented soybeans, wheat, and salt. Cornstarch, on the other hand, is used to thicken the sauce and create a nice coating on the vegetables. Water is added to dilute the soy sauce and cornstarch mixture to the desired consistency. Once the sauce is mixed well, add it to the stir-fried vegetables in the wok or skillet. Stir everything together until the sauce is evenly distributed and coats all the vegetables. Continue to stir-fry for another minute or two until the sauce thickens and coats the vegetables. The sauce is an essential part of the veggie stir-fry recipe, as it adds a lot of flavor and helps to bring all the ingredients together. It also gives the dish a nice glossy look, making it more appetizing. You can adjust the amount of soy sauce and cornstarch according to your taste and preference. If you like a saucier dish, you can double the amount of sauce or add more water to it. Once the veggie stir-fry is ready, you can serve it in a number of ways. As a main dish, you can serve the veggie stir-fry as a main dish by simply placing it on a serving plate or bowl. It is a nutritious and satisfying meal on its own, as it contains a variety of vegetables and protein if added. You can pair it with a bowl of steamed rice or noodles to make it more filling. As a side dish, the veggie stir-fry also makes a great side dish for meat or fish dishes. You can serve it alongside grilled chicken, fish, or tofu for a complete meal. With garnishes, you can garnish the veggie stir-fry with some chopped scallions or cilantro to add a fresh flavor and color to the dish. You can also sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds or chopped peanuts for added crunchiness. Family style, another way to serve the veggie stir-fry is to place it in a large serving bowl or platter and let everyone help themselves. This is a great way to encourage sharing and create a communal dining experience. Overall, the veggie stir-fry is a versatile dish that can be served in many different ways. You can customize it by adding your favorite vegetables, protein, or spices to make it your own. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy veggie stir-fry that is super easy to make and packed with nutrients. This dish is perfect for those who are looking for a plant-based meal option or just want to incorporate more veggies into their diet. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.